How to remove a specific application on Windows 11. So let's say you've downloaded Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC and you want to remove it, but you do not see a delete button. Press Windows key, type add or remove program and open this setting. After opening this setting, you will find this page. Let's say you could not find the program you downloaded and it does not stand right here. Click on the search apps bar and type the application you are searching for. My application is Minecraft. I want to remove this game from my PC. Click on the three dots over here and click on install. Click it again to make sure you want to remove this program. And there you go. I have removed Minecraft from my PC.